Today, we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview Evolution, reference 28A210. First, we see the official Accutron presentation box. Inside, we find the booklet and the 5-year worldwide warranty. Now we reveal the watch. The dial features a green forged carbon pattern with a beautiful swirling texture. You can also see the 3 turbines on the dial. These turbines spin and help generate energy for the movement. Inside the watch is the Accutron NS30 electrostatic movement. The case is made of black PVD stainless steel. On top sits a durable sapphire crystal. The watch comes on a green suede strap with a folding clasp. The case diameter is 43.5 millimeters. The thickness measures 15.9 millimeters. And finally, on the wrist. The watch has a bold and modern appearance. The green forged carbon dial and visible turbines give it a very technical and distinctive character.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.